local weather authority, always watching and tracking for you from the JES Weather Center.
August 23rd, 2011, a day many of us will never forget. 11 years ago today was the 5.8 magnitude earthquake in Louisa County. So what happened? Well, we had nearly 150,000 reports of shaking to the USGS. Thankfully, there were no deaths, but there was about $200 to $300 million in damage from this earthquake. Close to 4,000 aftershocks. The Appalachian Mountains actually enhanced the shaking northeast of the epicenter, and it was the first magnitude 5+ earthquake in Virginia since 1897. Now, for us here in the Commonwealth, earthquakes are really nothing new, but a lot of the earthquakes that we have in central Virginia near Mineral and also along the Giles County Fault extending into far southwest Virginia are generally weaker earthquakes. This one, a 5.8 magnitude one, was uncommon in that it was a strong earthquake here in the Commonwealth. All right, let's talk about the regional view here, and today was indeed a very quiet day for us. It's in areas south and west of us where the rain continues to fall. Bad news for those folks because they've seen a whole lot of rain here over the course of the last roughly 2 to 3 days or so. Still raining in Columbus, Georgia, all the way west into areas, say, near Jackson, Mississippi. This is where we are likely to have at least the potential for some localized flash flooding over the course of the next 6 to 12 hours. For us on Wednesday, high pressure is going to be with us. It's going to bring us a pretty nice day. Going to be, for the most part, dry on Wednesday. Thursday also looks to be a day where we're going to be very warm. We're going to be quite humid, and for the most part, we're pretty dry. On Thursday, though, there's a slightly better chance for a couple of showers or thunderstorms along and to the west of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Why? Because the frontal boundary that has been to the south of us is going to inch a little bit closer to us. And as this frontal boundary and associated low pressure get a little closer to us, the instability will increase a touch for us. Now, high school football, it's week 1 of 1st and 10. Of course, Appy and the gang will be around Friday evening at around 11:05 or 11:10 and bring you every high school football game from across the region. The forecast for Friday evening, temperatures start in the 80s, drop into the 70s throughout the games. Looking at a stray shower or thunder shower or two possible, but for the most part, we're just looking partly cloudy for all those high school football games. Good news there. 64 right now in Hot Springs, also in Blacksburg, 71 in Roanoke, mid to upper 60s out across South Side. High temperatures for tomorrow as we go zone by zone, low to mid 80s in the NRV, 85 to 88 in the Highlands. They're going to be warmer in Covington, Clifton Forge than you will be, say, towards Hot Springs. Upper 80s across the Roanoke Valley zone, Lynchburg and South Side zones, though, you could get close to 90 degrees. And Roanoke Valley so far this summer, it has been the 5th hottest one ever on record and the hottest one we've had since 2 years ago in 2020. For tonight, fair, pretty pleasant out there. Overnight lows 57 to 65. For tomorrow, very warm again. We're going to have more sunshine than cloud cover. Talked about those highs in the 80s to near 90. Your extended forecast, upper 80s to near 90 Thursday, Friday, falling into the middle 80s Sunday, lower 80s Tuesday. Pretty quiet weather-wise through Thursday. A few more thunder showers Friday. Hit or miss activity Saturday into the early part of the next work week.